What's up, guys? So this is somewhere in the 60s. I think it's between 65 and 69 that this bike was made. This is a BMW R69S. Pulled it out of a collapsed garage, and you just take a quick look over there. It's got about 6,800 miles on it. And I want to clean it up. The motor seized, so I don't think there's a chance of getting that running. You can see where water had dripped on this for so long. That is just super scaly. But the rest of the bike is in really good shape. I mean, you take a look. Let's go over here. So, clutch works, brakes work, transmission will shift into gear. Something like that. There we go. I just heard it click. It's probably first gear. I don't know. Even the suspension still bounces. Still bounces. So, in the least, this is an art piece. In the least, this is something that could sit in an office. A little background with this. Guy owns it, not me. Guy owns it, not sure what he's doing with it. He gave me this and the Firebird. I'm just gonna see what I could do with both of them. I mean, obviously there's certain parts of this bike that aren't gonna come back, like a little bit of something there that just might not buff out. Oh, but the rest of it we can make look real nice. So I'm just gonna hit it with the Sprayway glass cleaner. Whoops, tripping over something. Hit it with the Sprayway glass cleaner and just see what happens. And yeah, put this on time-lapse mode, and away she goes. Alright, so I wiped everything down, and using a combination of Sprayway, degreaser, super clean, and water, and a plastic brush, I don't think I've made much headway. I take that back. It's definitely a lot cleaner. But I think what I'm gonna have to do for these parts is go in there with a little bit of compound, take that rust out, and then wax it, and then really bring the shine into this, or out of the paint here. The seat, I'm not gonna touch the seat. I mean, it's just falling apart. But everything else is coming around. I mean, obviously, if it's rusted out, it's not gonna come around, but you know, the engine itself is looking a lot cleaner. The bike overall, just knocking the cobwebs off of it. Debating if tomorrow I should lightly pressure wash it a bit just to knock everything out of it. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. You can see here, check this out, right? You look on the left side here, I cleaned the shit out of this shock here. So you can just see, I mean, that's just nice and clean. And then you go over here, I didn't do much to it yet, it's just soaking a little bit. So, definitely a long ways to go before this thing's shining. Probably taking me a couple days to get this done just because it's probably gonna take 4 or 5 hours worth of shining on it to really get to the part where it's like, wow, that looks nice. But so far so good. Nothing's fallen off, nothing's fallen apart. I haven't broken anything. I'm happy with it. And found right there is where the oil is on it. Ah, that's seized. So, can't get the gas open. Can't check the oil, can't kick the motor. Everything else is fine. No exhaust. Exhaust messed up. We'll get there though. That glass, wow, that glass cleaned up real nice. Key goes in here. Let's find a key for it. It might be around still. Yeah, all right. I think I'll call it here for now. And also cleaned up on the Firebird today. I'm gonna see if I can get this all together. If not, I'm just gonna post this up here and post the Firebird later. Well, I figured I wouldn't go home before I give a little bit of update what's going on with the Firebird. Obviously, got the hood open, but liner's a little saggy. Original liner is cool, but whew, doesn't want to stay. Let me see if I can tuck this up. Let me see what I can do about this here. No, let me just destroy this. Give me a second. Yeah, let's just. Yeah. All right, that's better. Don't mind the pieces hanging there. So that's the original motor in it, 350. It is seized solid. I was saying it's seized solid like criminal forfeiture by the IRS. Oh, that cut out. But pressure washed it. Well, it's still dirty. What is that? Pressure washed it, cleaned it up a bit, got it up on jack stands so I can crawl underneath it. All the wheels are locked up. Haven't been able to get them unlocked, banging on the drums. So, just gonna get some wheel skates underneath it to move it into the shop. For now, it's as clean as it'll be. I gotta remove the interior on it still. I can't see anything in there probably, but yeah, ripped out a little bit of carpet. All the floors are trashed, but the tunnel's all right. And yeah, pleasantly surprised. You know, the inner fenders are all right. A lot of the metal's good. Some of it's trash, like down here in the corners, radiator support, core support. Not much you could do, but the firewall's good. So slowly, gonna put this thing together, clean it up, and figure out what's going on with it. I guess that's all for tonight. Give you one shot of that right there. Oh, can you see it? Nope, can't see anything. 350 badges on it. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna head home, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.